So, well, we're in the middle of the Atlantic. This sailing yacht has called us out and they need our assistance. So they're requiring for some medical equipment. So we're going to provide them to them in order to help them out. So it's not very often to come across with people who require your assistance and they are in an emergency when they have a health issue. But this voyage has came across with this. So we're going to provide whatever we can provide to them. So we're navigating close to the sailing boat in order to throw overboard a container which will contain inside the medical equipment in order for the skipper of the sailing boat to get well till the next port of call, which is about 200 miles north from here. And this is the Azores. So yeah, he needs some attention, and as far as we can provide this help, we're going to do our best to help him out. And hopefully he will arrive within the next days and he'll get treated there. So yeah, we're almost there. We need about 10 miles to go till reaching the sailing boat and to drop the container. By the list here is the officer on watch. He's the one who called me up on the bridge. He's performing his watch on a 4 hours basis, and yeah, on the beginning of his watch he came across with this call on VHF. On which channel did he call you?
Channel 16.
Okay.
It was in distance about 20 miles away.
Okay. And you called me to come up to the bridge and see what we can do. So that's good. So in order to send the catheters now, we'll need to put them inside. And that's done. So that's placed inside. So now we wait for the cream. We'll put the cream inside also, and we're done. So we'll close the can, and we'll send it to the sea, and the sailing boat will go and collect it. So we'll also send one xylocaine, which is the cream which will help him out. We've got the instructions inside, so that's okay. It's going to be quite difficult to put it inside, so most preferably I'm going to do it like this. We'll put inside the cream, squeeze it inwards, so that's okay here. We've got the instructions here, so that's okay for him. So this is done, the instructions are here, and this is the cream that will be providing him for his case. So that's done. So you seal it as far as possible. So now it is sealed. Okay, can't move. The only thing you need to do is just attach a rope and throw it overboard so that they can come and pick it up. So this is the sailing boat. We'll be throwing the equipment, the medical equipment, in order to assist the skipper. So as you see, he's sailing with a very, very slow speed of 3 knots. So we'll be passing close to him and we'll drop the equipment to him. Yes, the sea state is very good. That's what I agree also. So I will going outside. I'll be visually contact you. So we'll drop it in about 3 minutes. Two 5/8.
258.
Chief Officer, are you standing by?
Yes, I'm ready.
Heading 258.
Okay. Thank you. 255.
255.
Two five zero.
257.
Let's go outside. Chief Officer, you ready?
Yeah.
Officer on the watch, stand by to write also one position just in case. It will be a plastic green container with a rope about 3 meters. It has a good loop in order to collect it.
Thank you, got the message.
Okay. So you will be able to spot it. It's under the port side lifeboat, which is the orange color lifeboat. So we will be dropping it in about 30 seconds.
Okay, I see the lifeboat. Yeah.
And you will see there's an officer there with a white coverall, so you will be able to see him. Okay, stand by, Chief Officer.
Okay.
Okay, Chief Officer, are we ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Chief, you may throw it.
Okay.
Okay, we have thrown it. It's on our stern now. Can you see it? We have thrown it. It's on our stern. Can you see it? Have you spotted it? Hard to port. He has reduced speed. So as we may see, the The sailing boat has eventually collected the medical assistance that we have thrown to them. Midship! So eventually we had thrown the equipment, and hopefully they'll be alright till they reach the next port in order to go to the doctor. So at sea it's not easy to provide medical assistance, and if you need it, it's quite difficult to reach a hospital because you don't actually have a hospital. So yes, it's been an interesting day. So let's go and continue with our work. Till next time, bye bye.
Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we